The Yakry solar wireless backup camera offers a remarkably easy installation process, requiring only 1 minute to securely attach it to your vehicle with its strong magnetic base. This backup camera system is solar-powered and rechargeable, ensuring continuous operation without the need for frequent manual charging, making it perfect for long road trips. With high-definition 1080p video quality and a wide 170-degree field of view, the 7-inch monitor provides crystal-clear visibility both day and night. It boasts a stable, long-range connection up to 36 feet, providing a smooth video transmission for safe driving across various vehicle types, including trucks and small RVs. The built-in DVR loop recording feature automatically captures footage, enhancing security by saving crucial video in case of accidents, while its waterproof design adds durability. Designed for versatility, this backup camera system is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, improving parking precision and safety with advanced night vision capabilities.